David.
David, nice to meet you too. So welcome to my class.
今日我哋 sign up 咗一個 private 嘅 cooking class，學下當地泰國人正宗煮法同埋點解佢哋咁煮，係用咩真材實料。Let's go.
Welcome to Chiang Mai, everyone. This is the local market. Okay, the name is Ruam Chok Market. It's about 15 minutes from the old town. Young
Okay.
and old. Friend, this is for drink, and the bread is jelly. But the brown one, the water is so sweet. So sweet, but we not common use for cooking anything. The first squeeze I call coconut cream, and then the second squeeze with some water I call coconut milk. So coconut cream is sweeter, okay, for dessert.
So the first round is actually taking the cream for
It's thicker.
Not for soup.
No, I use second.
I see.
If you want the first time for soup, you need more water,
I see.
lighter. So
Oh,
this
wow.
is my family shop. Yes, this is Liam shop, the big one. You can make red curry paste and yellow curry paste. You can make pork Chiang Mai sausages. A lot of lemongrass and makrut. You know makrut?
No.
It's a coffee lime.
Oh,
It's
coffee
like
lime.
Yeah, so a lot of herbs in here. It's called
See.
like a herb sausage. Try one. Try one.
Try one,
This,
huh?
yeah, try one. 1, 2, 3. Wow, very crunchy. How much you need? You wanna pack by yourself? เอาถุงให้เขาแพ็คเองเลยไหม
Here the sound
It's fresh. It's fresh.
Oh.
Fresh from my kitchen. Yes. This one is an old man, good one, not too spicy. Yeah, old man.
What are these?
Oh, this one you have to deep fry by yourself. This one sun dry pork skin.
And
This is our business. My auntie, okay, bamboo. One time per year, harvest or collect them from
These
the
are
bamboo.
bamboo worms.
Bamboo worm from the north. The south don't have cricket from the
You dare to
central
eat?
part of Thailand. Silkworm is from the Phetchabun province. Chili sauce with this or stir fry with the bamboo.
Oh.
We eat like a snack, okay? Serve with alcohol.
my finger.
Very
Wow. 學好多新嘢。終於對泰式 嘅煮法有啲認
All
識。
of this is curry paste you see from the low market, local. But today your holiday, you come to work. No work, no food.
Yes.
True.
You make your own masaman, no?
What makes the masaman and other curry different?
Alright. Green. You see green. Why is green?
Use green chili,
Green chilies and
coriander,
yes,
and basil.
basil and more green.
What else?
Lemongrass.
Oh, okay.
You forgot the key, the
forgot the key.
lemongrass. So that's a green. Red is a sun-dried red chilies. Sun-dried red chili instead of green. For masaman, it's sun-dried chili, a lot of turmeric.
I see.
You know turmeric, yeah? Some people use Indian curry powder, but today you will have my recipe curry powder.
Good.
So you don't need to buy Indian curry powder. And tamarind. When you cook
Oh, okay,
masaman,
okay.
it's sweet, sour.
I see. My 材料 cooking and end up I buy for myself.
Next one, different. Only 12 baht. So cheap.
So cheap.
I know.
Hot for how many person?
You so little.
One pot for 1 or 2 people. It depend. Depend. Yeah. So for 4 pots. The key in my kitchen, always in my stock. Yeah. Here.
Tom yum.
Yeah. Tom yum.
Oh, this brand.
The lady.
The lady here, Mae Pranom. Mae Pranom is very famous with the chicken dipping sauce as well. This one always in my stock. This is we use often in the stock, okay? Fish sauce, soya sauce, oyster sauce,
Oh, oyster sauce.
and coconut sugar. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, this one daily life. Mushroom is so fresh.
Oh, wow.
當你有個當地人帶你行街市嘅時候，個感覺係完全唔一樣嘅。你唔單止了解比較多當地嘅文化，仲可以揾到好多當地嘅美食。 經過我哋嘅 chef 嘅介紹，我而家終於明白咩係叫做正宗泰國嘅風味。遲啲我一定會同大家分享我今日所學到嘅每一個 recipe。
我賣俾你啦，你知㗎啦嚇。如果你睇過 video 嘅話，你就知道呢個係專門賣俾你嘅啦。Go back to cooking.
Go to cooking, yes. Go to kitchen. Welcome to Sham Thai Cooking School.
Wow.
Woo! Welcome everyone.
OK，而家我哋去緊入邊 harvest
Go to
cafe。
come. First, we need spring onion and
Spring onion.
coriander for our soup. So choose the one you like anyway. It's
Coriander this one.
啊，
coriander tree root. Okay. สวยมาก
สวย
สวยมากอุ้ย อุ้ยไรไทยเลย อุ้ยthis is sweet basil
sweet basil
กระเพรา is over there
how you differentiate กะเพรา and this one
the flower different กระเพรา is white flower and holy basic pepper
This one you smell?
this one smell like anise like anise star 6 we need 6
Okay.
fruit
มะกรูด
แน่มะกรูด so มะกรูด always look like number 8 where's the basket I keep it for our soup yeah
your favorite กระชงบอตโต้
Oh.
Oh, really? You know that, huh? It's salad enough. In case.
Oh my god. Have you tried? Oh,
oh my god
it's so fresh.
อร่อยมาก Fresh organic. Eggplant. This is eggplant.
oh first time I try
Oh, here.
อุ้ย
ค่ะ สดมาก Very fresh.
very fresh
โอ้ค่ะสวยหอม We wrap it with any basil you like. Coriander, yeah.
and put inside the fish
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
And you know
All the
pandan.
smells. It's like now I'm smelling like those essential.
oh my god
Check the rice.
好香啊
This one give to me basket.
原來係咁樣 combination 㗎
We gonna hand wash your hand.
yes we haven't washed our hand 呢個 cooking class 咧我係 from hotel 嗰個補習嗰度揾到嘅 then 佢哋講係新嘅嗰時我係抱住個心理係嚟 try 下啦但係冇諗到係一個 private class and 佢 maximum 就係10個人今日咧2個人所以我哋可以學好多唔好介意我嘅性感嘅聲啊因為真係咳咗一個禮拜成個聲都已經沙晒所以而家聽到嘅聲就係沙沙地但係hopefully可以聽得到清楚好啦而家去準備緊個材料我哋就嚟開始㗎啦
Yeah. So first of all, we heat the water or your coconut milk with low heat. Lemongrass, my grandma teach me like this. Let me check. Let me show you here. So we cut a bite size. Never
Okay.
cut everything small because some we could eat, some we could not eat.
Okay.
So for the chili, how spicy do you like?
You mean cutting different? Differently also got.
If it's like this, it's just for flavor.
oh
But if like this, crazy spicy. This is mostly for tom pa. Who make tom pa?
my one is tompa right
Tom pa is a white soup. And Thai parsley. So tom pa, you must hit strong. Lemongrass.
lemongrass galangal
Beautiful. Beautiful.
That's nice.
Ui. Wow.
Marinate.
Okay.
So deep fry spring roll till golden brown color. And then fire. Fire. Look at that. Woo! Wow,
Wow,
my
wow.
God.
呢啲就係我哋今日朝早第一個 session 學到嘅4個 recipe 啦。
開餐啦！I love this. 脆咯。我試下我嘅呢一種咁嘅叫咩方法？翻去同大家分享呢個食譜，好簡單嘅。呢一個呢一種音素好飲啊！有啲燶燶地，但係加咗個湯飲 paste，個味道真係唔一樣。
食飽飽之後，我哋就進入第二個 session 啦。今日要學嘅係兩種唔同樣嘅咖喱，同埋兩種唔同樣嘅甜品。今日真係超好彩，遇到一個又有經驗又好揾得嘅 chef。佢一邊好認真嘅教我哋煮餸，同一個時間不停嘅同我哋嘅開玩笑，由頭真係笑到尾。
From 10 points, you get 5 points. Sexy!
OK。
Thank you for your visit. We have finished Thai cooking class for today.
今日我哋學到嘅8樣 recipe， 每一個都有佢嘅特別之處，都好好食。如果你哋有興趣想學邊一種嘅話，記得喺 comment 嗰度留言俾我知啊！今日嘅 blog 其實係 cut 短咗好多嘅，因為成個過程6個鐘頭，我哋係學咗好多嘢嘅。如果你哋嚟到清邁有興趣同佢學下嘅話，你哋可以透過呢個 Instagram 戶口同佢聯絡。好啦，今日嘅 blog 就分享到呢度，記得俾我少少嘅鼓勵 ，like 呢條片同埋 subscribe 呢個 channel， 咁你先唔會錯過當我分享我喺呢度學識嘅泰式 recipe。
I will give you guys home. Okay. Oh, gracias. Do you have?
開始之前飲杯 espresso。Oh, so bitter.
I tell you, strong
Wow.
from the north. Chiang Mai beans.
Whoa! Immediately I feel awake.
So strong.
Very strong, very strong.
What is that? Really? You kidding me? You're not scared?
I'm not
Oh
scared.
yes, I stay.
No. It's here. It's here.
Oh, there.
Don't need to put banana leaf or anything. Don't need.
No need. Yeah, it's a bamboo flavor.
I see.
You have to make the marinade with oyster sauce with this black pepper and Thai garlic and coriander root.
Oh, the garlic is so
Smash.
small.
Thai garlic, not Chinese garlic, but you can use Chinese garlic, the big one.
What's the difference between the Thai garlic and
Thai garlic is not sweet like a Chinese garlic. Chinese garlic sugary.
I see.
So
I
when
see.
you cook stir fry, it's stick
I
in the
see.
wok. This one.
膠菜
Oh.
เจียวใช่ for pad Thai. But today
Are you
we don't
speaking
have pad
Mandarin
Thai.
yourself?
A little bit. Yeah, I learned.
Jing Thai.
Yes.
This is holy basil. They are peppery, not sweet like that one. And the flower is white.
This is the one that we cannot find in Malaysia.
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah.
Okay. Wee.